All right, let's talk about artificial intelligence. You hear that term everywhere, right? It's powering our phones, our cars, and pretty much every sci-fi movie. But what is it really? Let's break it down and demystify it together.
I mean, it feels like AI is reshaping absolutely everything, from how we work to what we watch on a Friday night. But if you get past all the headlines and the hype, what does artificial intelligence actually mean? That's the big question we're going to tackle right now.
Okay, so first things first. To really wrap our heads around this, we've got to separate the sci-fi stuff, the killer robots, from the reality of the technology we're using today. Let's start right there. So at its core, what are we talking about? Well, AI isn't just one thing. It's this huge umbrella term for creating computer systems that can do tasks that normally require a human brain. Things like learning, reasoning, and problem solving. It's a whole category of tech. And this right here, this gets to the single biggest misconception about AI. The technology we have today is brilliant, but it's brilliant at specific tasks, like playing a game of chess or figuring out the fastest driving route. The sci-fi version, that self-aware, human-like intelligence, is what we call artificial general intelligence, or AGI. The crucial point is, what we have now is powerful AI, not AGI. No Terminators yet. So if AI isn't some self-aware robot from the movies, then where is it? Well, the truth is, it's pretty much everywhere. In fact, I'd bet you've used it multiple times today without even giving it a second thought. Let's check out some examples. Seriously, just think about it. When you use ChatGPT to help you draft an email, that's a large language model. That's AI. When Netflix just knows what show you're going to love next, that's an AI recommendation engine. And when you ask Siri a question or use your phone to translate a menu, you're using incredibly powerful AI systems. It's already woven right into our daily lives. Now, to make sense of all this, experts usually split AI into two main buckets. And honestly, understanding this distinction is absolutely key. It's how you get a handle on where the technology is right now and where it might be headed. So here's that core difference one more time. All the AI we use today, from Netflix to a self-driving car, is considered weak AI, or a better name is artificial narrow intelligence. It's incredibly powerful, but only for one specific narrow job. Strong AI is that theoretical sci-fi concept of a machine with flexible human-like intelligence. And for now, that's still purely a theory. Building on that idea, researchers have kind of mapped out a potential path for how AI might evolve, breaking it down into 4 different kinds. Think of it like a roadmap showing where we are today and where we might go in the future. Let's climb this ladder. Step 1 is reactive machines. These just see and react like a very basic chess program. We are currently right here at step 2, limited memory. A self-driving car is the perfect example. It uses recent memory of the road around it to make decisions. The next steps, theory of mind and self-awareness, that's where an AI could understand emotions and eventually itself. We are definitely not there yet. So we have this unbelievably powerful tool that's getting more capable all the time. But just like any revolutionary technology, it brings with it a really complex mix of pros and cons, of incredible potential and some pretty significant risks. And here's the trade-off. The potential benefits are just huge. Greater accuracy, lower costs, and these amazingly personalized services. But the potential dangers are just as real. Job displacement because of automation, the risk of human biases getting baked right into the training data, and the power to create convincing misinformation. It really is a true double-edged sword. That classic quote just sums it up perfectly, doesn't it? The power of this technology means its development isn't just a technical challenge. It's an ethical one. How we choose to build and use it is going to have some profound consequences. And ultimately, that's what this all comes down to. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful tools humanity has ever created. It's not inherently good or bad. So the real question we have to ask ourselves as we step into this new era is, what kind of world do we want to build with it?